Hi students, welcome to my channel Rakesh Tutorials. Today our topic is sets exercise 2.1 fifth bit. Write the following sets in roster form. So here set builder form is given, so we have to convert it into roster form. So first one, b is equal to x is such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So condition is x is a natural number. Set b is equal to x is a natural number, it is smaller than 6. So natural numbers are starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is smaller than 6. Smaller than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is such that x is a natural number. Natural number means it is starting from 1 and it is smaller than 6. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set B. Next, second one, C is equal to x is such that x is a 2-digit natural number. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Sum of its digit is 8. So x is a 2-digit number. Take any number like this, 24. 24 is a 2-digit number. So sum of its digits is 8. So here add this 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So like this, if we are adding individual numbers, we have to get 8. Like that numbers are. Now we are checking. In 10 it is 17. So in 17 1 plus 7 8. In 20 it is 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Next in 30 it is 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next in 40 44. 4 plus 4 is 8. Next in 50 it is 53. Next 62. Next 71 and 80. So x is such that x is a 2-digit natural number. All these are 2-digit natural numbers such that the sum of its digits is 8. See, 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 is also 8. So this is the answer of C. It is roster form. Next D. D is equal to x is such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So which is divisor of 60? First we have to find the divisors of 60. From that we have to get prime numbers, prime divisors. So do with 2. 2 3 ja 0. Next 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. Next 3 table 1 plus 5 is 6. So 3 5 ja. Next 5 1 ja. So here prime divisors are 2 3 5. Here 2 repeated 2 times. So we have to take only 1 2. So 2 3 5. 2 3 5 are the prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers which is divisor of 60. So D is equal to 2 3 5. 2 3 5. 2 3 5 is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Okay. Next, E is equal to x is such that x is an alphabet in better. Is an alphabet in better. Okay, E is equal to, see, from better, if any letter repeated means don't write. So in better letters are B, comma, E. Next T. See, T is repeated, so no need to write. E also repeated, no need to write. Next remaining letter is R. Okay, so E is equal to B, E, T, R. This is the roster form of X is an alphabet in beta. Okay, so students, this is the answers right now.